Hello, I am R.HariPriya Ravichandran, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. We are going to see a video on textile science. In this, we are going to see the chemical properties or the mechanical properties of the textile fibers. Chemical properties: solubility in aqueous and organic solvent. Useful properties of another hint desired in a textile fibers are indicated below. Behavior towards the dye, ability to moisture absorption, resistance to deteriorations influencing including light, thermal stability, resistance to the bacteria, mildew, moth and other destructive insect, corrosions of chemicals. First one is acid or alkali. The acid or alkali is harmful for a cellulosic and a protein fibers. Therefore, the effect of the acid and alkali must be known during the bleaching, dyeing and finishing. Different fibers react differently with acid and alkali. For example, cotton and linen damaged when they are subjected to concentrated hydrochloric and sulfuric and nitric acids. Also, dilute solution of those acids can make harm to the fibers. On the other hand, the concentrated alkaline solution is not harmful to the cotton and linen. Wool is not affected by the dilute solution of the acids, but concentrated acids and alkalis damage wool easily. So, acid or alkali must be chosen properly to use in different purpose and processing. Next, water. Water is very important to determine the properties of the fibers. According to the behavior of the fibers with the with the water, fibers are classified into two groups, hydrophobic and hydrophilic. Water is used in the process like sourcing and dyeing. Next, moisture regain. Moisture regain is expressed as a percentage. It is the ratio of oven dry wet weight of a material to the weight of water in the material and multiples of the hundreds. Next, moisture content. The moisture content is also expressed as a percentage. It is the ratio of oven dry weight of the material to the total weight, that is oven dry weight plus weight of the water in this material of the material. Next, absorbency. Normally, the textile fibers absorbs moisture. The ability of the fiber to take up the moisture is known as the absorbency. The absorbency is expressed in the terms of moisture regain. Among the all fibers, cotton absorbs easily for the purpose. Properties of the cotton requires more time to dry. Moisture regain of a wool is 16 percentage and it is 10 percentage of the silk. But it seems like a dry after regain for silk. The cloth we wear are more comfortable, which ability is higher to absorb. Next, heat. Heat effect of the heat is a vital point during dyeing, ironing, steaming and some other operations. Different fibers behaves differently under heat. Some fibers burn when some scorch. When heat is applied, some fibers are not combustible. Example, mineral fibers, glass fibers, etc. Cotton is easily flammable. Wool is hardly flammable fibers. Next is sunlight and biological agents. Sunlight, when we wear clothes or fabrics, it comes into the touch to sunlight. It is very familiar to us. Effect of sunlight should be kept in mind for general people. Sunlight reduces the strength of the cotton and it becomes yellow. Linen is better than cotton in sunlight, but cotton is better than the silk. So these are comparison of the fabrics. Next is biological agents. If the fibers are attacked by the bacteria, black spots are seen on the fibers, as a result of which the strength of the fibers is reduced. Its importance where the fibers attached by the microorganisms are not upon which strength of the product depends. Cotton, linen, and rayon are attacked by the fungus. Silk, wool, acetate, triacetate, and spandex have better resistance to mildew and other insects. Thank you.